We're going to run your test today on a ZCS 600, which has the shredder on the top that now feeds into a granulator on the bottom, and then in the back we have a blower system. We'll just drop your material into right next to this. This is our test lab machine, but you'll have a gaylord next to it. I'll let you drop it into a gaylord and you just kind of lower it down. It has its own separate control panel, which is right here. And it's very easy to operate this control panel. It's just to turn it on, it's just press each button and slowly bring her on. You have an amp meter for your granulator, an amp meter for your shredder. What you'll see is if this amp meter goes above 20 amps, stays there for a second, it'll say overload and it'll pull back the RAM. That way you're not going to overload the machine while doing it. So turn it on, it's very simple. Then the granulator. Then the hydraulics, which works your RAM for the shredder. Then the shredder. This system also has the ability for a conveyor. It's got a conveyor hopper. It's a little bit high. We also have them without conveyor hoppers, which is more about 6 foot high, so you can just hand load that unit, so we're not going to use it. Here's your material. So what we'll do is we'll just start dropping in. You ready, Paul? Yeah. Paul's just going to drop them in. We filled the whole machine up with the box of suckers for about a minute and a half. Want to get the flashlight? Having no problem with any of your material. Processed everything without an issue. Show you the control panel. It's not working the shredder very hard, and it's not working the granulator very hard. So very simple application, the material you have for this unit. So I'm going to let it run out, and then I'll show you what this sample looks like. All right, here's the results of your test. It ran real easy. That went through, but we ran it with a 1-inch screen on the top for the shredder and a 8mm screen on the bottom. So basically 24 millimeters on top, and we used a 8mm on the bottom, and no big issues, no heat, not a lot of dust, a very simple process.